Hello everyone. After loading the training dataset in Step 1, we will need to configure the neural network structure in Step 2. Now click on Configure Neural Network. In this interface, we can choose the necessary network parameters. As you move to each user inputs dialog box, ANNHUB will display a small note explaining the meaning of these parameters. The training engine includes training algorithms such as gradient descent, conjugate gradient descent, quasi-Newton, Leavenberg, Marquardt, or Bayesian regularization. Activation functions for hidden layers of the neural network. Pre-processing and post-processing are used to ensure the data is in the operating range, for example, the range from 0 to 1. Training data ratio helps divide the input data into training dataset, validation dataset, and test dataset. Hidden nodes help select the number of hidden nodes in the hidden layer. Cost function or loss function allows users to select target functions for the optimization process. Typically, the second step is most challenging because it requires designers to understand machine learning theory in general and neural networks in particular. However, ANNHUB has simplified this process by auto-suggest the optimized neural network structure based on the input dataset. Besides, users can still customize the network parameters to suit their needs. In this article, we will use Bayesian regularization for the training. After finish configuring, click on Create Neural Network to apply. If there is any modification, you just need to click Update Neural Network. So now the Configure Neural Network process has finished. In the next video, I will guide you on how to train your AI model. Thank you for watching.